What's the meaning of cornetto? Cornetto. Cornetto.
Cornetto. Cornetto. The term cornetto refers to a type of Italian pastry that is commonly known as a croissant. This pastry is made with a flaky, buttery dough that has been shaped into a crescent shape, and it is often filled with sweet or savory ingredients such as chocolate, almond paste, or ham and cheese. Cornetti are a popular breakfast food in Italy, and they are often enjoyed with a cappuccino or espresso. The term cornetto can also refer to a type of musical instrument, which is a small, cone-shaped woodwind instrument that was popular in the Renaissance period.